God has a message. Theophany. Kung ganun, nakatanggap ako ng theophany. So, I deny it until now. I don't even practice it. Lately lang, parang napuno ako eh. Yung mga observation ko. Discernment. I hope nandyan pa kayo . Nung natanggap ko yun, pinapabayaan ko. Yan, lugulo tong asong to eh. Wala lang. Yung sabi ko, bahala ka na Lord kung anong plano mo sa akin. I will remain faithful. Alam ko Holy Spirit yun, hindi demon. Hindi demon yun. Kasi ang nangyari doon, pinatuloy ko yung human rights, Bill of Rights, always right. Hindi always demonic. Hindi jihad, hindi intolerant. Only patience. And very tolerant person.